Hi, I'm Wild Art Shark. I wanted to put together a video of some other great YouTubers that I think deserve your time. As you know, I'm putting a tower defense tutorial together right now, and I've found various resources from YouTube. I think some of these guys are definitely worth a watch and will help you get started to improve your Godot journey. So here's 6 people that I think are worth a look. Okay, starting with Toot Mike. I hope I pronounced that right. I want to start with this guy mainly because he has a monster 4-hour tutorial just out covering Godot 4.1 and creating a shoot 'em up or shmup game, I think they call them now. You'll have something at the end to impress your friends with. So he looks to be putting out additional content and courses as well. So I wish him the best of luck with that. Next up is Coffee Crow. Well, he's a definite newcomer to the blog, and I think he only has just over 100 subscribers right now, but honestly, if he keeps up these tutorials, I'm sure it won't be long before he has a lot more. Even as I'm making this video, I think he's put another one out. I like the style and simplicity with which he creates his tutorials. He's very clear and concise. I believe he's covering various aspects of creating a simple 2D platformer, but he talks you through the various aspects of coding as well, and things like making a main menu. So why don't you go and check him out and show him some love too? I think he deserves it. Lucky is what I would refer to as a tinkerer, but he is a good one. Alongside putting out Godot videos, he's been enjoying doing some 3D modelling in Blender recently, which if you don't know, by the way, Blender is a 3D modelling tool. It's a free one, so go check that out. He's a cool customer, but really great to listen to. His latest video covers one of the Godot Kenny asset packs. He goes into a lot of detail around how it all works, so you can learn a hell of a lot from this guy. He's already doing great subscriber-wise, and I can only see him getting bigger and bigger as time goes on. That's lucky. So Nathan Hode is making a Godot adventure game about his cat, Coco. What I really like about Nathan is that you're drawn in by the quality of his work. He's basically taking you on his journey, showing you how he's putting his game together. He covers all sorts of topics, from how to use the dialogue manager to interacting with other objects. If you're thinking of making a 2D adventure game, you should definitely go and check this guy out. Nathan Hode. Godot is a channel with very few videos indeed, so why am I recommending him? Well, I would say each one of the videos he's put out so far are extremely high quality. I found him when looking into how to implement state patterns in Godot, and honestly his state charts video is absolutely superb. He's also got a great video about generating a user interface, and his latest video about Godot components shows you how to break your code into manageable pieces. I love his art style. I'm not sure if it's AI generated or not, to be honest with you, but who cares? It's the underlying content that matters, and I highly recommend him. That's Godot. And finally we have DevWorm. Apart from having the coolest icon, DevWorm wants to teach people how to use Godot. He's putting out tons of videos and they cover a lot of topics, albeit 2D ones in Godot. Again, if you're looking to put together a 2D game, you need to be subscribed to this guy. One particular video I enjoyed is his pathfinding, which is a sticky subject at the best of times, and I think he covers it well. I also think he's getting better and better at the presentation piece. Yet another YouTuber that I hope does well. That's DevWorm. And that about wraps up my first set of Godot YouTubers you should go and check out. Let me know what you think. Did you enjoy this? Do you want to see more? Hey, do you want me to give your channel a shout out? Let me know in the comments below. I'll put a link to all of the YouTubers I've highlighted today below in the comments, and I hope you'll go and check them out. And as always, please be sure to like and subscribe. So until next time, Shark.